Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel Infinite Trade. My name is Robin, and let's do a Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. So today, what happened? Market was definitely bearish, but the momentum was not there. What we expect. One of the reason was, like we discussed in yesterday's video, both FIIs and pros were on the same side. So usually, when they are on the same side, it becomes very difficult for us as a retailer to trade, because obviously they have to book their profits, they have to change their sides, change the positions. So we may see a confusing market whenever they have same side positions. Okay, so let's check out the data for tomorrow and understand what can we expect for tomorrow. So the first thing is, today FIs have created some longs and they have booked some profits. So obviously they'll do, right? Market is already about close to 1500 points, 1600 points down from where they shorted it. So they have booked some profits and they have added some longs. And if you look at the options data, they are long on calls and long on puts too. Okay, this means volatility tomorrow. So tomorrow's market can be volatile. It can show both side moves. And if we look at pros, they have 1,38,000 call shots and about 1 lakh put shots. So they are also expecting a range bound market. So when you sell both call and put, you actually expect market to be a little silent. But when you have buy on both the sides, then the market becomes volatile. Okay, why volatile? Because the premium will only increase if you see a strong up move or a strong down move, is when you see the premiums increasing. So tomorrow, it's very simple. If we open with a very big gap up, then the market will obviously come down. And if we open gap down, then the chances of going up is also definitely there. So this is what our take is from the positions. But however, the put long is more than the call long, and the call short is more than the put short. So definitely we can expect a sideways to volatile market with a bearish stance. Okay, but that depends on where we open. Okay, now let's quickly discuss the levels. So if you look at Bank Nifty has already reached support area now. So this place is a support place. So even if we open gap down, we can see a candle formation, something like this. A green candle is expected tomorrow if we open with a gap down. Okay, and based on the support levels, they have also booked some shorts and added some longs to take that pullback trade. But market is definitely sell on rise at the moment. So similarly, Nifty is also at a support area. Okay, so we are somewhere here. So in case if this also opens gap down, we may see a green candle like we discussed in Bank Nifty. Now let's move on to a smaller time frame and quickly understand what should be the plan for tomorrow. Let me activate all the lines. So tomorrow what we'll do is, see, either you could draw a trend line like this. Sorry. Okay. And we can trade the breakout. We'll put a line somewhere. Okay, I think this should be fine. So let me make this white. Okay, so tomorrow, if just in case, see, we have made almost similar lows and lower highs. Okay, if you draw a line here, this looks like a descending triangle pattern. So if we open flat and if we break this level, so 38 900, then we can go long, and we can expect a target of 39 200 first, and then we can approach 39 400, and the final target would be 39 580 to 600. Okay, so this gap filling. So once the gap is filled, definitely you should look for shorting opportunities only, since the market is on sell on rise. To make the levels easier, what you can do is, I've opened another Bank Nifty chart. So all that you have to do is put a 15 minutes time frame and select the high that was made on 15 September and the low that was made today. So put this Fibonacci retracement tool, and like we discussed, either you can put a line here. Okay, let me put it on a 5 minutes chart. So either a trend line or a line something like this. Okay, so what we are going to do is, when Bank Nifty breaks 38 900 decisively, we are going to buy call, and we'll trade with limited quantities, not much on the upside. Our first target would be, we can plan this same level, which is 39 to 70. So 39 to 70 and 39 400 and 39 580. Okay, so I think max quantity you should book here if you are with two lots, and this is in case of a flat opening, and if we cross this level, imagine we open gap up here, gap up somewhere around 39 250 to 39 300. We'll wait and watch if they fill this gap immediately. Okay, so this is going to be the best trade. If we fill this gap immediately, then we can go short here. Okay, somewhere close to 39 580. So as much as close to 39 580, it is going to be the better trade, and from there we can expect a fall until 38 800. Okay, this is considering the kind of puts that they're holding. So that should be the trade, and then the market will maintain the higher low, and it can go sideways and volatile. So keep this in mind. So we discussed flat opening, we discussed gap up, and if it's a small gap up, say that it's opening around 38 900, then we'll wait for this dip and we'll wait for a direction. Either it should immediately cross this high, we are going to buy a call, or it should make a lower high and cross this low, we're going to buy a put here. Okay, so keep this in mind. In case of a gap down opening, so 38 200 is an important support here. So in this place, I would not go and buy put, but I would wait for a reversal to go and buy call. At least we could reach 38 800 in that case. So we'll take call at this place. So I hope this is clear. Now let's move to Nifty. Okay, this is Nifty. Let me just come back to my original chart. Oh, I think I removed the Fibonacci by mistake. Nothing to worry. So what we'll do is, we'll take this high and we'll take today's low. So Nifty has closed, towards the day low, unlike Bank Nifty. So what we'll do is Nifty will take the upside trade only when it closes above 17,160. Okay, so above 17,160, we'll look for a call in Nifty. And what should be the target? The target should be around the gap fill area, which is around 17,300 to 320. Okay, and but for that it has to open with slight gap up and immediately cross this high. Then it can travel something like this and then fill the gap and then do some time pass, and it can be volatile. If Nifty opens gap up, say around this place, which is 17,220 or 240, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's around 240. So if it opens around 17,240, we'll wait for it to fill this gap. And as soon as we see a red candle, and if the next candle closes below this red candle, we'll immediately go for a put, and the first target would be 17,150 and then 17,080. Okay, this is in case of a gap up. And Nifty, since the closing is bearish, tomorrow we can see different movement in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. And Nifty, if it opens gap down, say around 16,900, will not do anything. We'll just sit and relax, because there is a high possibility that Bank Nifty may try to control Nifty. And in case if you see higher high, higher low kind of a price action pattern, then we can go long for the target of 17,050. Okay, so this should be the plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. I hope you all understood it on the basis of the data. So market can move both sides. A big gap up or a big gap down is going to be the best trade to trade on the opposite direction. So thank you for watching. Let's meet in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.